For years, I struggled with constant ringing in my ears, what's often called tinnitus. It started as mild annoyance, but over time it became a major disruption in my life. Whether I was working, spending time with family, or even trying to sleep, the persistent noise never left me alone. And it wasn't just the sound, it affected me emotionally and mentally. I noticed I was becoming more irritable and had difficulty focusing. I learned that I wasn't alone. Millions of people suffer from tinnitus, of age-related hearing issues, and it's not just about hearing loss, it can also lead to frustration, lack of focus, and even anxiety. That's when I started to look for solutions, and I came across Quietum Plus, a natural supplement designed to support ear health and address these problems at the root. Let me tell you, I've left the link to the official website in the description of my video, just in case you do need it. What really caught my attention was that Quietum Plus doesn't just mask the symptoms. It works to improve overall hearing health. It's made from natural ingredients and specifically targets the brain-ear connection, something I hadn't considered before. I thought, why not give it a try? And I'm so glad I did. After just a few weeks of taking Quietum Plus, I noticed significant changes. The ring in my ears, which had been a constant companion, started to fade. It wasn't immediate, but little by little, the sound became less intrusive. Beyond that, I felt a sense of mental clarity and calmness that I hadn't experienced in a long time. The secret behind Quietum Plus lies in its natural formula. It is packed with ingredients like hawthorn berry, garlic extract, tribulus, territris, vitamin C and B complex. What I love the most about Quietum Plus is that it doesn't rely on harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. It is a natural way to address ear health, focusing on long-term benefits rather than just short-term fixes. Now, months after starting Quietum Plus, I feel like I've regained control of my life. The ringing is no longer a constant distraction, and I can focus on the things that truly matter: my work, my family, and my peace of mind. If you're someone dealing with tinnitus, hearing issues, or just want to support your ear health naturally, I highly recommend giving Quietum Plus a try. It's given me the relief and confidence I was searching for, and I'm sure it can do the same for you. Besides all these benefits, the producer even offers a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it, and if you don't like it for any reason, all you've got to do is talk to them and they will return all of your money. My only alert is to be careful where you buy it because it is only sold on the official website. It is not possible to purchase it in drugstores or on other websites, so be very careful with this information. That is why I've also left the link just below the description box of this video, the only place you can buy the original Quietum Plus from, nowhere else. So keep that information in mind. Also, on the official website, you can check out the complete information about it, including the ingredients list and more details. Go now and check it out.